Hi, my name is Alex Dimitriu. I'm the founder of Menlo Psychiatry and Sleep Medicine. I'm boarded in both psychiatry as well as sleep medicine, and today we're going to be talking about sleep and depression. A lot of people that are depressed will often have trouble sleeping, but people that also have trouble sleeping might sometimes feel that they're depressed. First and most important distinction to make is if you're tired or actually depressed. The main way we tell between someone being sleepy or depressed is actually by their desire to do things. In my work here, I've often found that people that are tired tend to say that they actually want to do things but don't have the energy to do so. On the other end, people that are depressed will often say that they are actually just not interested in doing things. A good mnemonic to use for understanding depression is called SIGI CAPS, and SIGI CAPS involves the following symptoms. People with depression will often experience trouble with sleep. They'll also experience periods of diminished interest or diminished activity. They may feel periods of time where they feel guilty over not being active or not participating in life as they should. At times, people will feel like their energy is low, their concentration is poor, their appetite may be diminished. They might also experience psychomotor symptoms such as slowing of either body movements or thinking. And lastly, people with depression may at times experience suicidal thoughts. The mnemonic SIGI CAPS actually tells us the common symptoms of depression. For people that are depressed and having trouble sleeping, or for people that have trouble sleeping in general, there's a couple of recommendations that often help a lot. First of all, keeping to a regular bed and wake time helps tremendously. Try to keep your bedtime regular and try to wake up at the same time each day. In the morning, sunlight is important, as well as vertical activity during the day. We'll often encourage our patients to be as active as possible during the day, exercise if possible, and try to eat healthy during the day as well. The evening routine is important too, and it's important to start slowing down at night, maybe take a hot bath or a shower before going to bed, and avoid any kind of exercise or caffeine before going to sleep. Caffeine actually should be avoided any time after 12 o'clock in the day, and even earlier for people that have trouble sleeping or unrefreshing sleep at night. A lot of things in psychiatry ultimately depend on how impairing the symptoms are. If your depression is bad enough that you're not able to function well during the day, or your sleep is completely unrefreshing and broken up or excessive during the night, it might be time to speak to a health professional. If you're suffering from depression, it's worth noting that you're not alone and that there is hope. Depression is actually fairly common. 1 in 4 women at some point in their lives may experience depression, and up to 1 in 8 men at some point during their lives may experience depression as well. Because the body recharges during the night and the mind recharges during the night during sleep, it's really important to focus on getting good sleep during the night and also trying to stay awake, active, healthy during the day.